In this video, we will explore the mouse parallax effect in Flutter. We will also implement a demo program of the mouse parallax effect with pointer-based parallax animations using the mouse parallax package in your Flutter applications. Let's get started. We will start by adding the mouse parallax dependencies in our pub.yaml. Next, we create a stateful widget class. Let's return a scaffold widget here. And also give it a simple toolbar using the app bar widget for Flutter. In the body, we will use Parallax Stack for the parallax effect. Inside, we will add a drag curve, means the duration of the animation when pointer events occur and when the widget transforms. Add a reset curve, means the curve of the animation that occurs when the pointer leaves the hover region. We will add layers, means to add a list of multiple parallax layer. A layer in the parallax stack. This serves as a blueprint for the transformations of the widget in a parallax stack. It contains all the animatable properties of the child. In parallax layer, we will add Y rotation, means how much the child should rotate on the Y-axis when a pointer event occurs. The nature of the rotation is left-right. Next, we will add X rotation, means how much the child should rotate on the X-axis when a pointer event occurs. The nature of the rotation is up-down. we will add X offset, and Y offset means how much the child should translate on the horizontal and vertical axis when a pointer event occurs. It's child property, and we will add an image widget. In this video, I have explained the mouse parallax effect basic structure in a Flutter. You can modify this code according to your choice. This was a small introduction to mouse parallax effect on user interaction from my side, and it's working using Flutter. I hope this video will provide you with sufficient information on trying up the mouse parallax effect in your Flutter projects. We will show you what the introduction is. Some Parallax Stack attributes make a demo program for working mouse parallax effect, and show images will move with the mouse and touch-based parallax effects using the mouse parallax package in your Flutter applications. So please try it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.